Here's how to use two WhatsApp accounts with the same app, with one app on your device without using dual messenger feature or duplicating your WhatsApp app. This feature was only available on beta, but right now it's available for everyone with the latest version of WhatsApp. What you have to do is to click on the settings on your WhatsApp. You're going to see this little drop down icon. Click on it and select add account. Very simple. It's going to show you where you can put your number and register for a new WhatsApp account, just the normal stuff. Then after doing that, I'm not going to do that in this video, which I've already done. So after doing that, you're going to get an option to switch between your WhatsApp accounts. So that'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.